Bahamas is located off the southeastern coast of the United States of America. Which continent is North America? Although the Bahamas is situated in the Caribbean region of North America, it is located in the Atlantic Ocean, but not the Caribbean Sea. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of Bahamas. The Bahamas is a group of beautiful islands that is located in the Caribbean Sea. These islands are located to the northern side of Hispaniola and Cuba, the eastern side of the Florida Keys, the southeastern side of the state of Florida, and the northwestern side of Caicos and Turks Islands. The main islands in the Bahamas include Andros, San Salvador, Cat Island, Eleuthera, and the Grand Bahamas. The largest island is Andros Island. The nearest island to the United States is Bimini, which is more commonly known as the gateway to the Bahamas. The capital city Nassau is located on the island of New Providence. The Bahamas have a tropical marine climate, moderated by warm waters of the Gulf Stream. The best period to visit the Bahamas are in the months from December to April. These months, the temperatures are more pleasant than in summer. The chance of tropical storms in August and September are the highest. The rain during these months may be heavy, but are usually of short duration. Throughout the year, the temperatures of the Bahamas fall between 25 to 32 degrees Celsius. The hottest months are July and August with temperature around 32 degrees Celsius. During the months of December, January and February, the average temperature is pleasant and around 25 degrees Celsius. The temperatures in the northern island are a few degrees lower than in the south of the Bahamas. The culture of Bahamas is a mix of African heritage combined with influences from British and American traditions. This culture is very unique and colorful. They are friendly, hospitable, as well as highly educated. They are mostly all Christian and highly religious, but they also respect freedom of religious expression. The income source of Bahamas is almost dependent on tourism and financial services to generate foreign exchange earnings. Tourism also provides an estimated 60% of GDP. Agriculture and fisheries industry contribute 5% of GDP. The Bahamas exports lobster and some fish, but does not raise these items commercially.